Hi there, I'm Garth Laidlaw. I'm the lead animation instructor with PortPrep, and I just want to tell you a little bit about this course. Animation Fundamentals 1 and 2 are our two most popular courses here at PortPrep because there's such a desire among so many of our students to get into animation, but it's an incredibly difficult program to get into. Now, this course specifically takes the Sheridan College portfolio as it's updated each year, and we do get the newest version every single year. We take that portfolio and it's kind of split in two across Animation Fundamentals 1 and Animation Fundamentals 2. So we begin Animation Fundamentals 1 doing hand drawing, figure drawing, character design, and then the layouts. And then Animation Fundamentals 2 focuses on the short animation, storyboarding, and the personal artwork. So that's kind of how the two courses are spread. These are incredibly pivotal courses for anyone that's interested in studying animation. You can either take this course at the intro level, which is just the video lectures with zero feedback, or you can take the basic level, which is a group feedback, and typically it's around 15 minutes per week per student on your artwork that I'm drawing and making corrections. And then you can also take it at the full level, which is independent. So one-on-one, I'm meeting with just you every single week, or every 2 weeks if that's preferable for your schedule. And we are progressing through the course at your own pace. And also it allows for up to an hour of feedback per week on your work. These courses are in very high demand, so we just ask that you sign up as soon as possible, especially if you would like to attend the group sessions, the basic level.